Good afternoon, YouTube. So, new car alert. Got the S650. This video, I'm going to be going over what I actually like about the S650, what's different from the S550, and the exact spec I chose. So stay tuned, like and subscribe, comment too, notifications on, you don't want to miss out. So, as you can see it all in its glory right here, I got yellow splash metallic. I love this paint. There's so much flake. On top of that, we went with the stripes. This was a custom order that the dealership did, and it has magnetic dampening system, Magnaride, and most importantly, 3 pedals. Well, why am I doing 1? 3 pedals, manual. Also, this car is equipped with the Recaros. It's a premium pack. It's my dream spec.